Hello and welcome to Coding for Kids. In this short tutorial, we're going to look at how to organise your code so it makes sense. Organising code is a great skill to learn and great to practice when you're writing code, as it makes everything much easier. Okay, so here I have three different sets of code that I prepared earlier. In the first, this is the most organised, but it could be better. So we've got two numbers, and if b is greater than a, we're going to print this, and if a is equal to b, we're going to print this. This is a basic if statement that we learned in the last tutorial. Here, we've changed the variable name to thing and thingo, and as you can see in the if statement, it gets much more confusing. Now down here, this doesn't work because A and B are defined after this if statement. So as you can see from here, there are three main things that you need to focus on when you're organising code. One, your variables and their names. A and B is better than thing and thingo, but to make it even better, you could go number 1 and number 2, like this. That way it's really clear for you when you're writing the code what you need to do to which variable. The second thing is order. Order is incredibly important as it needs to be in a logical order, otherwise the computer will not be able to understand what you want the code to do. And the last thing is comments. I haven't got any in here yet. Comments are a great way to organize your code, especially when you start coding longer projects, so you don't get confused as to what code you're working on. The three main points for organizing code is name your variables appropriately, make sure your code is in a logical order, and use comments to your advantage so that you know exactly what's happening in your code. Thank you for watching this episode of Coding for Kids, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.